Yeah, hello students and the viewers. This is past perfect passive. You see, the rule, what is the rule of past perfect tense? Past perfect active rule is your subject plus had plus MB3 plus object. But in passive, we have to add been, subject plus had been. Whatever may be the subject, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, any subject, had been will be your helping verb. Plus MB3, it is compulsory, MB3 is compulsory. So subject plus had been plus MB3 plus object. Okay, so now let us see how we form the active to passive. Now see, the sentence is, I had completed my homework. I had completed my homework before I went to sleep yesterday, suppose. So I had, मैं मेरा homework complete कर चुका था सोने जाने से पहले. So that is your sentence. Now here, now you have to convert into active to passive. So same, my homework is your subject here. The object of the active is the subject of the passive. Now my homework had been completed before I went to sleep. मेरा homework खत्म हो चुका था मैं सोने जाने से पहले. That is your passive. Okay, if you convert into active to passive. Another sentence you see, the teacher had taught a new lesson before I joined the class. Now you are telling, suppose the teacher had taught a new lesson before you joined the class. Now you are telling, the teacher had taught a new lesson before I joined the class. That is a complex sentence. This one is also complex. Two different tense sentences are joined together, you see. Past perfect, simple past. Here also past perfect, simple past. This one is simple past. Before is the conjunction, subordinating conjunction. Now the teacher had taught a new lesson before I joined the class. Now what will be the passive? The teacher, a new lesson is object. This part you avoid, this part is not necessary. Bring this past perfect part. A new lesson is your subject now. Passive subject is now new lesson. Active object, now passive subject. A new lesson had already been taught. A new lesson had already been taught before I joined the class. So this is the conjunction, before I joined the class, as it is you can write it down. Okay, a new lesson had already been taught before I joined the class. Now question comes, if anybody is asking question in past perfect, how can you answer in passive? See, the question is, had you submitted the report before your boss came to the office? Now question is there, had you submitted the report? क्या आप report submit कर चुके थे? Boss आने से पहले, ऑफिस बॉस आने से पहले अपना रिपोर्ट, कुछ इमरजेंसी काम था उसको सबमिट करना था आपको. सो हैड यू सबमिटेड द रिपोर्ट बिफोर द बॉस केम? नाउ योर आंसर इज पैसिव आंसर. दिस रिपोर्ट you have to convert into pronoun. Remember, whenever there is a question, you have to answer in passive, means you have to convert into pronoun. The report is singular, that's why it. Yes, no, first of all you have to tell whether you submitted or not. So positive answer, yes. It means the report. It had already been submitted. Report already submit हो चुका था before he or she, boss may be male, may be female, so before he or she came to the office. So in this way, whenever the question is there, you can convert into passive, but thing is that we need to catch the object and we have to convert into its pronoun. If we do like this, then you will not be facing any trouble. Easily you can answer in passive voice. That's why more practice is necessary. You need to have more practice. Okay, whenever you want to answer in passive voice, very carefully you have to do it. Okay, this is the uses of past perfect. Now next class will be our future.